Hey everyone, it's and it's Saturday, August something, and it's the morning time. Let's go! It's drop day, baby! Let's go! I hope you guys are fired up, man. It's officially drop day. We've got kind of a classic drop day video if you guys have been around for a while. I'm just going to cover the drop day tips and tricks last minute for you guys. Look, what I'll say about it is I'm just going to kind of go over some normal stuff. If you guys want to get some tips about how to do, like, what to do during the actual drop, check out my homie Veve Vault first of all. The tips I'm going to be going over today are from my homie Granola Warfare. Now, these are going to be tips to help prepare your phone, and they're going to be basically text. If you need to see visuals, the person that I trust, the person that's my homie, is Veve Vault on YouTube. Check that guy out if you want video kind of versions of some of these tips, okay? Um, Trust me, guys, I promise you, you're going to be in good hands. This drop is going to be insane today. Now, let's start off with something very, 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 very important right away, guys. Very important. There is a very good chance that a lot of people are not going to get the NFTs they want. Okay, guys? You guys need to understand that right now. Okay? Because as soon as this drop happens, I already know the posts we're going to see all over Reddit, all over the app in the feed. We already know all the posts we're going to see. So before we even get there, you guys need to understand that some of these NFTs are very, very rare, and there are going to be a lot of people that want to get an NFT today that do not get one. So that's just what it is, okay, guys? I just want everybody to be 1000% clear on that before we even get started, okay, guys? We are still so early in the Veve app. You are going to get lucky on some drops. You are going to get unlucky on some drops. I have been in both situations. It's just what happens, okay, guys? Let's just throw that out there right off the bat and just kind of hedge all of our bets, okay, guys? Right off the bat. Just right off the bat. So, what I want to say is this should be an exciting day for everybody. This is huge news for Veve. This is a huge brand for Veve. This is a huge opportunity. So, I'm excited no matter what. Maybe I don't get the NFT I want. I don't care, guys. I just don't care, okay? I hope I get it, and like I would be ecstatic if I get it. But at the end of the day, we're still so early, and man, there's so many opportunities. So let's just let's just keep a level head during all of this, okay, guys? Let's keep a level head during all of this. All right, now let's continue on to the video. First of all, I got the spreadsheet linked in the description down below. I'll be updating this stuff later. Don't worry about it right now. Don't even worry about the spreadsheet. We're not even going to talk about it. We're going to actually pop right into Reddit. And we're going to actually go ahead and go right into. Wait a tick, wait a tick, wait a tick. We're going to actually go right into Granola's drop day tips and tricks. Okay. Now, these are the drop day tips and tricks from one of the absolute amazing community members, Granola Warfare. He puts a lot of effort into this for making this for the community. The guy, like, just basically kind of is like me in a lot of ways, where I just kind of make the spreadsheet and, like, we just kind of do that just to be, like, just to, like, help the community and hope that people get value out of it. So let's start with these drop day tips and tricks and let's go over it. So first and foremost, I'm just going to read through a lot of this stuff. So I can read pretty good. I haven't pre-read any of this, so I will stumble over some words. I apologize about that, but I can read somewhat quick, so I will go as quick as I can. Disclaimer: there's no one trick that will guarantee you a collectible on drop days. Tips and tricks effectiveness will depend on many factors, such as type of device, network, and connectivity. It's up to you to find which tips and tricks work best for you. However, these tips do help and can increase your chances on drop days. The list is updated regularly with new tips and tricks to help improve your chances on drop days. Good luck. So, with that being said, be rest assured that Granola Warfare is on top of keeping these updated. These have been updated since the last drop date. I have no doubt in my mind. He's on fire. First, we've got a couple little like a little legend here, I guess would be what I would describe it as. Preparing for a drop. So network. Now we've got some basic tips and some pro tips. I'm going to try to go through as many as I can. Basic tips. Make sure your router modem is running at optimal strength. Simply resetting the router modem itself can help clear any packets or data left over from things like updates that could be causing router modem to run at slower speeds. Google search internet speed test to test your device and run speed tests once while connected to your Wi-Fi and again once while on your cell signal. You want to figure out which of your connections is faster. If your cell signal is faster, I hate to break it to you, it may be better if you find a spot where you have full bars than if you have full Wi-Fi bars. Next, we got some pro tips, okay? Consider a temporary ban on the internet usage during the drop. So basically limiting people at your house during the drop time. The drop literally is going to take all of 5 minutes tops. So it's not like you really are asking for a lot, okay? So you can't set bans. Next, we've got if your device is 5G compatible, it may be more beneficial to ditch the Wi-Fi altogether and move to a location that has good signal coverage. 5G speeds are considerably faster overall and have tested to be double to quadruple in strength. Next, we've got change the font size on your device to make the size smaller. This will populate more text on your screen, and this will make it so you can see the buy now button without having to scroll down. This is a tip that's especially beneficial if you're planning on buying more than one NFT. If you're planning on buying one NFT, this tip isn't exactly the most beneficial, but it's still good to know. Remove any unused apps, photos, videos, and widgets from your device. The more processor has to render, the slower your speeds can be. Next, we've got device settings. These are basic tips. Android users can deactivate the gesture pad near the bottom. I've went over this in one of my previous videos. It's basically another way to try to get the buy it now button. Like on my phone, sorry, I'm on Binance right now, but like on my phone, I've got this like section where I've got like the back button, the clear apps button, and the home button or whatever. You can actually get rid of those, and that's another way to try to give yourself the buy now button as well. Another tip that really mainly benefits you if you're planning on buying more than one NFT. To improve your connection speed, you can purchase Ethernet adapter for your phone from a local store, plugging directly into your router. So this is what's going to allow you to plug an Ethernet cable directly basically into your phone. All you do is plug it into your phone's like charging port, and then you can just plug an Ethernet cord into it. So we've got pro tips. Restart your device to make sure that it's running fresh. This is a really good tip. So basically before the drop, I usually restart my phone maybe 15 minutes before the drop, but I always restart my device. If you're in your device settings, you can turn on airplane mode. And then if you're planning on using Wi-Fi, after you turn on airplane mode, you can turn on Wi-Fi, I believe. Make sure you test to make sure your internet is working if you do this tip before the drop happens. The last thing you want to do, switch on airplane mode, forget to turn on Wi-Fi, try to get the drop, and get thwarted. Sorry. If your device is in a case, make sure the case is compatible with your device. I've heard a lot of people talking about their phone cases. It might just be in your best interest to take your phone out of the phone case. Let's just straight up say that right off the bat. Turn off any auto lock features to prevent the device from sleeping during the drop. This one is pretty self-explanatory. I feel like I might sneeze, so I'm going to mute myself. And I'm back. Um, so next we've got change the font size in your device. You can change the font size to be smaller. This is another way to get the buy now button to appear on the screen without having to scroll. This is another tip that's really beneficial if you're planning on buying more than one NFT. Remove any unused apps. I feel like we've went over that. Next, we've got in-app. Make sure you have your gem pre-filled or your wallet pre-filled with gems. That's just a first tip. That's just a classic tip. Always a good technique. Make sure to give yourself plenty of time to log in early. Sometimes the app can be slow, and we've seen a lot of traffic lately. I don't know if it's just due to the Marvel or due to people trying to get money. So give yourself a little bit of extra time today to log in. If you're somebody that usually logs in last minute, please give yourself an extra couple minutes, please. Okay, next we got some pro tips. Collectibles in your showroom can slow down your device. You can go to profile on the app. If you go to the app, and then on the bottom, if you go to profile, settings, my files, there's a way to kind of remove the files. That'll basically delete the image files from your showroom. Do not worry, it will leave your showroom intact. If you reopen your showroom after that, it will re-download the files. But if the files are cleared out, the app can actually run a little bit quicker. So next we've got a tip that says if loading the app is taking longer than expected, try switching between the apps. Do not close the app during the drop. Basically is the tip. Do not close the app during the drop. Okay. So we've got a couple more tips here, guys. I'm going to try to go quick. We're already at 10 minutes. I'm sorry about that. Let's just keep grinding through it. Purchasing live drops. There are multiple gateways screens to access the collectibles. Usually, you want to try to find a gateway that a lot of people aren't using. I believe it's this example here. Typically, for me, I usually bookmark the collectible and I access it through the collections page or like whatever is at the bottom of the collections page. Using two hands to quickly tap the buy now button and the cancel button on the arrow when it pops up. This is a tip that you can get an idea of from Veve Vault, but basically if you like line up the buttons where you have buy it now and where the arrow pops up, you can kind of sit there and spam them really quick. Please check out Veve Vault's video if you don't know what I'm talking about and you need to learn about it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out Veve Vault's past couple videos. I promise you he'll have you guys covered. After successfully reserving a collectible, users will have 90 seconds to complete a CAPTCHA puzzle. We've kind of seen CAPTCHA on and off different times, so we'll see if CAPTCHA's turned on for this one. I really am not sure if it will be. Let's just assume it is turned on. I feel like that's the safest. We got some pro tips here. Majority of users wait on the collectible screen. Yeah, so you usually wait on the screen where you see the buy now button. Tapping the bookmark icon will add it to your wish list, which will add it to the collectible screen, which is what I was just saying, where I usually access them from. You can refresh the timer buy now screen. Try switching by using the app switcher trick. Try switching between apps to do that. Also, using the app switcher trick moments before the drop is live will help sync and refresh the timer. So this is what I was talking about a second ago. Align the buy now button with the pop-up error message. That way you can rapidly tap the button. My homie Veve Vault's got us covered. Go back and watch Veve Vault. Keep trying. If the item says that it's sold out, wait. If the drop sells out, reservation timers last 90 seconds. Once reservations expired, non-purchase reserve collectibles will return to the market, at which points they can be repurchased. Sometimes you will see an item says sold out, and you will actually be able to purchase one after that point is basically what that tip is saying. We got 3 more tips here, guys. Let's go. Confirming your purchase. If you leave the screen before you complete the CAPTCHA puzzle, you will have 90 seconds to return to the collectible screen and complete the purchase. After that, it will be returned to the store. If the gems were deducted from your account, but you don't see the NFT, it's being minted. It could take several minutes to an hour to be sent to your account. After completing the CAPTCHA puzzle, confirm your purchase to save additional time. You can safely exit and proceed to the next purchase before the green truck screen appears. This is a tip from Veve Vault as well. So check out all that. That's all the tips we got for you guys. I just went through a ton of it. I'm sorry, we're already at 13 minutes, so let's quickly run through a couple Reddits. I'm just going to kind of quickly scroll through and shout some people out. Let's just say shout out to our homie Most Cryptographer. I don't know what's going on. Shout out to our homie Gold Suspect. Shout out to our homie Omi Turtle. Good luck to you, my friend, as well. He's saying good luck to everybody. Shout out to our homie Steve C's. Shout out to our homie when to actually hit the buy now button. Most Cryptographer. I don't know if you watch my videos. If you do, watch videos from Veve Vault if you have not been told the answer. A couple videos back from Veve Vault, he'll talk about it. I feel hopefully that helps. Next post is by our homie Quadraxis. I'm going to go for the secret rare. That's what a lot of people are going to be voting for. Market prices. Shout out to our homie Rosie B. I don't have time to read that. Next we got a homie. We're not going to talk about that. We don't talk about sales. Shout out to our homie IMBAU. Shout out to our homie Foxins. Shout out to our homie Steel Roots. I'm just gonna go as fast as I can. Shout out to our homie, our absolute homie Dude-68. Next we got Diehard. Right here at the top, Diehard040110. I actually read this post a second ago. I think that is wishful thinking to think 2888 is some kind of special serial number. Sounds like a little bit of hopium. I don't think that is going to fetch a huge premium if you ask me. Let's hear some people in the comments what their thoughts are. Do you guys think that a Superman edition 2888 is worth a premium? Let us know down in the comments down below. Last but not least, we've got Omi's price trading at 0.003167. Omi can be your guys' homie. I'm not going to be your dad, and nothing in this video is financial advice. Congrats to making it to the end of the video, guys. That's all I've got for you guys today. All I want to say is good luck to everybody out there. I will be back talking to you guys like after the drop. I don't know exactly when I'm going to make the video. I might make it a little bit earlier than usual if I feel like coming to you guys and talking to you guys and just being there for you guys. I don't really know. I will just be with you guys in the afternoon. I promise you guys. Good luck to everybody out there. I hope you guys have a great drop day. I promise you guys. Good luck to everybody out there. Let me give a good luck to everybody that's been having bad luck in the past couple drops. I can't think of anybody offhand, but Mark Mayhew, good luck to you, my friend, if you are participating. That's all I've got to say. Have a fantastic day, everybody. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.